Welcome to a journey through the most incredible luxury homes in America's most sought-after addresses. Over the next 3 hours, we'll explore more than 80 stunning properties, from the sun-soaked beachfront estates of South Florida to the iconic high-rises of New York City and the exclusive retreats of the Hamptons. Whether you're dreaming of a sleek penthouse, a sprawling waterfront villa, or a private enclave hidden behind gates, you're about to see the very best. Sit back, relax, and prepare to be inspired. Our first stop is the dazzling world of South Florida. In Miami, Fort Lauderdale, Boca Raton, and West Palm Beach, luxury takes on a sun-drenched glass and water aesthetic. Imagine floor-to-ceiling windows opening to the Atlantic, private docks with super yachts, infinity pools blending into the ocean horizon. Over 30 of our featured homes call this region home. In Miami's ultra-modern high-rise towers, you'll find 2-floor penthouses with panoramic views of the skyline and Biscayne Bay. In Boca Raton and West Palm Beach, waterfront estates spread across manicured lawns, with interiors boasting white marble floors, wine cellars, home theaters, and spa-like bathrooms. Each property offers its own story, whether it's a celebrity-owned villa in Fort Lauderdale or a newly built contemporary in Miami Beach with a rooftop plunge pool. The vibe here is glamorous yet relaxed, perfect for sun-loving luxury seekers. As we transition north to New York, you'll see the aesthetic shift, from open tropical layouts to towering city residences that never sleep. Welcome to the city that never sleeps, New York City. Here, luxury homes are defined by height, skyline views, and metropolitan elegance. We've hand-selected over 30 spectacular residences across Manhattan and beyond. Penthouse apartments with terraces overlooking Central Park, loft-style settings in historic buildings with modern finishes, and high-floor units offering both privacy and prestige. Inside, you'll find open-plan living rooms with glass walls, designer kitchens with sleek cabinetry and waterfall countertops, master retreats with private salons, and bathrooms that rival 5-star spas. Many homes include private elevators, shaded glass facades, and balconies that hover above one of the world's most iconic cityscapes. Whether it's a classic pre-war townhouse converted into a luxe duplex or a new construction super tall tower, the NYC properties here deliver vertical luxury at its finest. The feel is crisp, refined, and cosmopolitan, everything you'd expect in the heart of global city living. Now we move to one of the East Coast's most exclusive getaways, the Hamptons. Here, luxury meets serenity. Shoreside mansions nestled among dunes, wooded properties with private beaches, and historic barns transformed into modern family compounds. We're showcasing over 20 homes in this region, each with generous square footage, sprawling acreage, and a quiet sophistication that's distinctly Hampton style. These homes often blend traditional architecture, think shingled exteriors, pitched roofs, and large porches, with contemporary interiors. You'll see massive great rooms, gourmet kitchens with top-tier appliances, gym and wellness wings, and expansive terraces ideal for summer nights under the stars. The feel here is both grand and relaxed, perfect for those who value privacy, nature, and a refined seaside lifestyle. As we wrap up our tour, you'll carry with you a sense of the ultimate in luxury living across coast to coast. As we draw our journey to a close, reflect on the variety, scale, and beauty of what's possible when luxury meets vision. From South Florida's sun-lit waterfront estates to New York's lofty urban perches to the Hamptons' serene coastal getaway homes, the common thread is exceptional design, location, and lifestyle. Which property spoke to you the most? Was it the high-rise sky penthouse with sweeping city views, or the beachfront villa where the horizon stretches into infinity? Maybe the woodland retreat in the Hamptons? If you enjoyed this tour, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next luxury home adventure. Leave a comment below and tell us which region you'd love to live in, Miami, Manhattan, or the Hamptons, and why. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep dreaming big and living beautifully. Thanks again for joining us on this 3-hour tour of the best luxury homes you've ever seen. I'm your host, Luxury Lux Homes, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.